In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pay bills or send payment feature efficiently. This is a straightforward process that can simplify your financial transactions, whether you're settling your monthly bills or sending money to someone. So, let's dive right in and go through this step by step to ensure you can handle this with ease. First things first, you'll need to access the pay bills or send payment feature, which is usually found within your banking or financial institution's app or website. This feature is designed to facilitate quick and secure financial transactions without the hassle of traditional methods. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the section titled Payments or Transfers. This might vary slightly depending on your bank, but don't worry if you encounter different terminology. It's all aimed at getting you to the same place, which is making a payment. Once you're there, you'll usually see an option that says either Pay Bills or Send Payment. These options cover a wide range of functionalities. If you're paying bills, you might need to select a specific service provider or biller from a list that's been pre-populated by your bank. Alternatively, if you're transferring funds to an individual, you might need to enter some details such as their name and account number. The next part involves choosing your payment method. This essentially means deciding where the money you are sending or using to pay a bill will come from. You might be given options such as using your checking account, savings account, or even a credit card. Take a moment to consider which account is most suitable, especially in terms of balances and any applicable fees. Using a checking account is often the simplest and most straightforward choice for many people, but make sure it aligns with your financial goals and current situation. After you've carefully selected your payment method, it's time to confirm your transaction. The system will likely show you a summary of all your choices, allowing you to double-check details such as the recipient, the amount, and the source account. This is an important step to avoid any mistakes, as sending money to the wrong place can be a hassle, although most financial institutions provide a way to rectify such issues. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, confirm the payment. This might involve clicking a button that clearly states Confirm or Submit. Above all, make sure to keep track of your transactions by keeping confirmation emails or screenshots. This can be a useful reference for managing your finances and ensuring that your payments are always on point. So, there you have it, a clear, simplified process to use the pay bills or send payment feature effectively. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your future transactions smoother and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you found this video useful.